Hey guys, it's Karolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you guys my favorite matcha latte recipe that I came up with, and it's so good. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some coconut almond milk into just like a measuring cup. I'm adding in 1 cup of coconut almond milk. Then you're going to need some raw coconut butter. Now I love everything flavored coconut, so that's why it goes into my matcha latte recipe, and I hope you guys like it too because it's so good. So anyway, I'm adding in about 2 teaspoons of this raw coconut butter. As you can see, I'm pretty much almost done with my jar and I need to get more. And this is the only thing I use it with for matcha lattes. That is just that good, guys. It's that good. Next thing I'm going to do is add some matcha green tea powder into my mixture, and I get mine from nuts.com. No, this is not sponsored. I just happen to like them. And I'm adding in 2 teaspoons, but if you're just starting off with matcha green tea powder, definitely start off with 1 teaspoon and then build your way up. And the last thing I'm adding into my recipe is 100% pure maple syrup. I just get mine from Trader Joe's because it's awesome and it's a great price. So I'm just adding in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup into my mixture, and then I'm grabbing this immersion blender. You could totally use any blender or food processor or whatever you have to mix it, or even just use a whisk. But I just like to use this to mix up my matcha latte because it just gets really good mixed up in there, especially with the coconut butter. You need something that's actually going to mix it. But whatever you have on hand is also fine. Once you're done mixing that and everything is all blended together, I just like to pop it into the microwave for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes just for it to be warmed up, because no latte is complete unless it's warmed up. Unless I'm making an iced matcha latte, but I mean, it's the winter. We're making a hot one here. So I pour it into my cup once it's all heated up, and I'm adding in a little bit of whipped cream on top, and then I'm just sprinkling a little bit of matcha powder on top as well. And this was really just for the aesthetic and just how it looks, because it looks cute. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to make this super awesome matcha latte recipe, and I really hope you guys try it. Please let me know how you guys like it, because I am obsessed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.